Hey guys, thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, referring these videos to your friends and yourself also you're liking. Great. So please keep doing this. In this video, we are talking about amines part 1. Now what are amines? These are wonderful compounds and basically these are derivatives of ammonia. So ammonia, when you remove one of the H, you can draw RNH2. It is an example of primary amine, okay? Primary amine. Primary amine, the simple thing is that you can observe is NH2 group there. When I replace two such hydrogens and I put groups like R and R prime, then it is called secondary amine. Okay, secondary amine. Similarly, we can draw removal of all three and we can put something like three groups here, and definitely lone pairs are present everywhere. This is called tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. And if you replace all four of them and put four groups, then it is called quaternary amine. Quaternary amine. Okay, so primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. Now let's see further. If we talk about primary amine RNH2, there are a few very important reactions that we should know. This compound reacts on HNO2 or NaNO2 HCl to form ROH, RCl, or it can give alkene also. So this is called diazotization process. Okay, diazotization process, very important process here. And this is through diazotization route, and this mechanism has been asked in different examination in different places, so we should know this. So what is happening? Let us see that RNH2 is given, HNO2 is given, so they can give you HNO2 directly, or they can give you NaNO2 plus HCl, which will eventually give you HNO2 plus NaCl. So if it is NaNO2 and HCl, you have presence of Cl minus, you can expect this answer also. But if you have just HNO2, you will not get this answer, you will only think about ROH answer. Okay, we'll see both the cases. HNO2, which is given, can form this kind of structure where O can grab this hydrogen and this is free. So if you observe this thing, it is HOH plus charge and NO, and once this breaks, it gives you NO. Okay. Now the same NO is responsible for further reaction on RNH2. So we can say RNH2 will attack on NO, right? Once it attacks on NO, it will form RNH plus and double bond O. This kind of compound it will form. So you can say, if you're doing this thing, right? So what is happening basically, NH2 is attacking here and the bond is breaking towards this thing. So we can get this kind of result where NO plus is being attacked by RNH2. So we can say this is a positively charged and neutral thing, and ultimately it is a positively charged. Fine, great. So once you get this, remove H plus, you'll get RNH and double bond O. And later we can tautomerize it to get R and double bond N OH. The same compound which you got will again react with H plus, can form R and double bond N OH2 plus, and at the end we can say we have this particular leaving group which can leave, and we can get R and triple bond N plus, okay, which is also called diazo compound. So it's a diazo compound, right? Rn2 plus. And diazo compounds of this type, if it is aliphatic, okay, aliphatic compound, they are highly unstable, highly reactive, right? And at the same place, if you have same thing from aromatic compounds, they are stable between 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So let's say somebody draws this kind of compound, I'll say this is stable in 0 to 5 degrees Celsius range. But if you increase the temperature, it will not be stable enough. So if somebody gives us Rn2 plus and you try to react with water which was present there in the medium, if you see the water is formed, right? So where is the water formed? Just look at this. We have removed water at this place. When water comes out, so the same water which is available can go back and attack on R, and N2 is free. And the final answer could be R, OH along with H plus will be taken off further. So this kind of alcohol we can expect. If we have presence of Cl minus ion in the given thing, then this could have attacked, and then we can expect RCl answer. And if Rn2 plus is given some thermal condition, it can form alkene also. Hence all three answers are approved. Hence all three answers are approved. All three answers are possible. Now whenever you talk about diazotization, so the process of formation of this diazo group Okay, is known as diazotization, and it's a very important reaction of primary amine. One more thing to learn: whenever you're given any secondary amine and tertiary amine, okay, with the same molecular formula, they will be considered as functional groups, right? They will not be same functional group, they will be considered different functional group. So they have functional isomerism also for them. All right. So please keep liking, subscribing, sharing these videos. Thank you very much.